Icon which made landfall on November 9, 2025 at exactly 9 o'clock in the evening between the provinces for automatic suspension or cancellation of classes in the event of natural hazard and macroeconomics. Note that there is no word such as for tropical cyclone signal number 1, classes for kindergarten shall be automatically suspended. For signal number 2, classes for kindergarten to junior high school shall be automatically suspended. And for tropical cyclone signal number 3, classes for work at all levels shall be automatically suspended. But when the classes have already begun or started, the school shall immediately suspend the classes and send everyone home if it is safe to do so. At pagka medyo delikado kung pauwi ng mga bata at mga teachers natin, so may safe na sa school. Now, we only have automatic suspension for orange and red rainfall warning, okay, as stated in Department Order number 92. But for yellow warning, wala pong automatic suspension. Information ay ang ating North Luzon PRSP or North Luzon Pag-asa Regional Services Commission. Ito yung itsura niya. Exercise authority to facilitate localized suspension. And in Sabela, we have this Executive Order number 6. Executive Order number 6 series 2025 na pag umabot ng 41 degrees Celsius pataas ang heat index, automatically suspended ang klase, even work in school. DSWD and the Department of Education, schools must not be the primary option na gawin natin evacuation center. Last na yan ng school. From school to district, then district to the division office. RMS, CID, and SGOD. Then prepositioning or distribution of self-learning modules. Ensure printed modules, activity sheets, and assessment tools are ready for learners in high-risk areas. Inform stakeholders, particularly LGUs, parents, and community of educational arrangements during hazard. Now for the district level, ang kanilang actions naman ay number 1, to receive and acknowledge division advisory. Number 2, to cascade the advisory to all schools. Number 3, and number 5, report back to the division office. And for school level, first, receive the activation advisory from the district. Number 2, activate school contingency plan. Number 3, ensure learning continuity, of course by prepositioning or by distribution of self-learning modules. And number 4, maintain service continuity. Number 5, document and report. And number 6, submit initial and final.